him a visit, hoping he'd lead us to Wesker.
Wesker? Wesker's in this game?
Wesker.
Wesker! He killed an old man!
He took his wheelchair. He needed it.
That right is now mine.
Why was he able to? It's so dumb.
Yeah.
So cool.
Wesker's the best! No, get fucked, Chris! Meow, meow, meow! Resident Evil 5 really just went like, hey, you want to rip off the Matrix? Yeah.
It really is just that.
Table slam!
It's the ultimate thing.
What if he just like phases through here and only she jumps out the window?
That'd be great.
Yeah, like right there, he could have just popped out of existence for a second. Done his Dark Slayer style. She would have been out of there. Every
really
fiber on his shoulder is like modeled.
I have to know if she's still alive.
You
Look
two
at
look
that.
close.
We were partners.
We were partners, you
What
know.
about you? Why'd you join the BSAA?
I'm
My
a bit
parents were
loud,
involved in an
but
accident.
Oh, well.
When I was young.
Well, the big umbrella, they took my
Umbrella?
parents and they raped them
Yes.
with the zombie dust, so,
And we found out later that
you know how it is.
it was to cover up the manufacturing of biological weapons for terrorists. We're using Africa as a test bed for their experiments. Bioweapons were responsible for
What?
the
Corporations
death of my
would never
parents. And someone had to
abuse
pay
the
for that.
continent of Africa en
Join
masse.
the BSAA.
They would never do that.
There's
Yeah,
only
no,
so
they
much
never
one
do
person
that.
can do.
Ebola virus.
I'm no superhero. I'm just Chris Redfield. Superhero.
Then let's make a stand for our fallen brothers.
Hell yeah, Sheva.
Hang on.
Kicks her out of the boat.
None of that gay shit. Yee!
The marshlands. I think this is one of my more favorite, like more memorable sections of the
Oh,
game.
it's so good. Besides the, you know,
The what?
the bad parts.
Bad parts?
The bad parts. Not when playing, but just thinking about this part. Like, ooh, Jew Beetle. Okay, just think about this. We're just heading off into these random marshlands, okay? Just have that in mind this chapter.
Oh my god! That damaged me?
Did it? No,
No,
we're
it
good.
just shocks me. God damn it. Yeah, we're heading off in random marshlands.
I'm checking the map.
Like killing the natives.
Yeah. You know, they start to attack us, and frankly, we don't know that they're infected until one of their heads pops. Realistically. So
Well,
we're just
they're
going
shooting
into
us.
yeah, but we're going into their area, right? We're going into their area heavily armed, stealing artifacts.
Alright.
Yeah, they can shoot us. Nice. We grab the rocket launcher now
yeah,
or
we
later?
Do we need it now? That's the question.
No, but you know, it's a rocket launcher.
That's true.
It's pretty.
Do you want it?
Oh right, can't do inventory.
Oh, it's that ship right there.
Yeah.
Because it only has one shot. And I do, like, do we use it on the alligator? Is that like a good spot to use it?
I think we use it on the chieftain.
Oh yeah.
Maybe we grab it at the end.
I can pick it up.
I have more space.
Yeah, but I got it.
Give me your rocket launcher.
If you want to leave this spot, you're gonna give me the rocket.
Now see, now what you didn't think about. So,
I did think about it.
oh
Oh
shoot.
shit! He escaped.
Beetle. Get fucked. You fight. Okay, no, actually, you can't take it.
Take this.
Thank you. Sorry, that was mean. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that, partner. Oh god. Oh god, you shot me. Get off my boat. Get off my dinghy!
Did you see that, into the... Oh, hey, it's one of the medals.
Oh.
Haha, I shot it. Oh, you bitch.
Ooh.
In the Into the Spider-Verse, they put a... why am I forgetting the name of the show? That
The
show.
exaggerated swagger. No, who'd they put?
Oh, Clone High. They put a Clone High in the background.
Oh, like someone's watching Clone High?
It's on one of the billboards because I guess it was made by the movie was made by like the same team.
I missed a Jew beetle.
Oh, there's a true beetle.
Oh, it's just a brown beetle. Yeah.
That's the most terrifying thing I've seen. Oh, I'm driving
Oh,
now.
fuck, woman driver.
Don't worry, I'm great.
Okay.
So, where are we going?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Where are we going?
I don't know how to go forward. Oh. The speed.
Sheva? Sheva, you should slow down, Sheva. Oh god, Sheva.
Speed!
Oh, we should go here. Oh!
Give me your eggs.
I think they'll just lay them, bro. If we just wait, they'll lay them.
But shooting them is much more fun. Animal abuse. I condone it. You're gonna edit that so we're so.
That is exactly what I was gonna say I'm gonna do. I just found 2 eggs without killing chickens. You monster! You killed their families too.
Fuck their families.
No, don't fuck chickens.
Oh, it's
What?
a beetle.
Ooh.
Beetle.
Oh,
Fuck.
fuck. There's extra treasures in this part too we need to grab, so.
But alligator.
Yep. Anyway.
Here we go. Where are the treasures?
Just hug the walls and spam X. You'll find some.
Oh, I found one.
Nice. Yeah, I think I just went to the wrong side.
There was a beetle on the tree. That was it.
Sick. Yeah, they're caught. See you later, alligator.
These alligators cannot. Proud of that one, eh?
Yeah.
The
Oh,
alligators
found
cannot.
another beetle. Oh, there's 2 alligators by it. Oh god.
Grab it.
Oh
Grab
god,
it
I'm
anyways.
seeing them now. I got
Grab it
it.
anyways.
It wasn't a beetle.
It's not a beetle. There's
Yeah,
a ladder.
it's a lot of
Yeah.
gators.
That's fine.
See, there's what we call a gator. They get up to 12 feet down here in Florida, and we here at the Gator Hunters, well, we hunt us some gators. Yeah. Okay, yeah, this part. So, oh, you know what?
They just said they're all infected before we shot them.
Oh, God. That sounds like some weak justification. What if they just had a horrible, unrelated plague? Here, can you hold this for
Oh
me?
wait. Got it. That little gator can grow up to 14 feet long. Oh god.
Call me moist, because that's a critical.
That was good. That was good.
Hold on,
That
I'll
one's
knife
sticking
him.
with me. Get him. Knife him.
Yeah!
Yeah, get him. Get him.
You
Yeah.
can't do anything!
can't do anything.
Yeah, get him! Get him,
Yeah,
Gator! Get these Gator boys!
Hit him with the shock stick. Oh god!
Get over here, Gator!
Get him!
I'm electrocute this here Gator!
Get him!
Get out of here! This ain't no Gator territory! Get! Oh, there's a fish over here! Get out of here, fish! Get!
Dude, you know what? You know what I've been like craving constantly every day? Fucking
Penis.
McDonald's chicken nuggets. That's a constant, but let's destroy their shrines.
Yeah, you see what I mean? Like, they have one line of, oh, they're all infected for all this horrible, horrible stuff we're doing.
Let's destroy everything they have made.
Everything they've worked for, every piece
Granted-
of art they have labored away
Granted-
at.
I'm not the one that has spent years of gathering bullets to put in vases.
You know, it is a strange culture. I will say that. You what?
Do it, Bubba!
Come on!
Come on!
If the key item is in there, do not grab it.
Oh, it's the key item.
You fuck.
It's the key item. Get ready to fight some Zambambos.
That was weird. Oh, hey, there's a jewel we missed. Thank you, cutscene.
Hey, guess what? I'm up here.
Did you see that spear throw? Oh god. Only one thing can save me.
Proceeds to not save you anyway. Oh, actually, that's working quite well. Yeah, I think Sheva is supposed to have the sniper and the... Uh-oh. One of them... Oh, God. Oh, God. Well, you can deal with that thing. Thing has a fucking penis.
Oh,
I'm gonna guess you shoot the penis thing on it.
yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, that works.
Yeah.
Oh!
Dude, one of them just did Dio's pose! Yeah, look at
He's doing the limbo.
Yeah, that was very cool. It could just sit up there and do literally nothing.
Yeah, and I just have to eat all the hits. It's so sick.
Well, Chris is so buff. That he can-
Oh, you're right. And I've got this sick ass stun rod and shotgun.
Yeah.
You know, Chris really is meant to get the shotgun.
Yeah, Chris is meant to get the shotgun, Shev is meant to get the machine guns, I think.
Okay, so we're plowing through these zombies, right? And then Shev is like, oh, they're all diseased, and Chris just goes, they're what?
Dude, come over here.
Okay.
See this guy?
Dude, he reminds me, did you play House of the Dead 2?
I did.
You remember that second boss?
Yes.
He jumps out of the water like that, dude.
Oh, he does.
God, I love House of the Dead 2. I'm gonna fuck this dude.
You pushed him out of the bounds and he just died.
Hey, can I have that egg?
Yeah.
In a non, throwing way?
Yeah.
I know I started this war, but you fuck. You can't even hit me! You can't even hit me! You're gonna do the bit, dude.
No. They trapped us. Hold on. Oh, got him.
No.
Jesus Christ.
I missed one, hold on.
He's like, why are you coming back? Why are you coming back for me? No. Oh, you missed him.
Nope. I'm lining it up. There's a
what's the
Magnum.
I don't have space for that.
Oh, shit!
Oh, what the fuck?
Oh, big boy chief!
What?
Oh, God. Here, I've got... Oh, there's two.
Chief.
You know what?
Why are there two? You use the RPG? Oh! Well,
Nice
again,
war scream, idiots. Welcome to the 21st century. Whenever you get a second.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Oh, there's nothing up there. That's cool. I didn't want to have anything up there anyways.
Fuck this ladder.
Oh yeah, one of us has to lower the gate. And the other walks through and then unlocks the door.
This is gonna be an exercise in trust, D'Angelo.
Ooh.
Because if we let go of the bridge while someone's on it, they're gonna die.
Okay, so I won't do that.
Okay?
Yeah,
You're not gonna do that, right?
I'm not gonna do
You're
that.
not gonna do that.
I'm not gonna do it.
I know you're gonna do it, you fuck. But
I'm not gonna do
like,
it.
I feel like you're gonna do it.
I'm not gonna do
I feel like you're gonna do it.
it. I'm not gonna do it.
He's totally gonna do it.
I'm not gonna do it.
Now you're not gonna do it to make me look like an idiot. You hovered in the air like a Scooby-Doo character! Alright. See you up there, you fucker.
Oh, hey, I'm back up here.
Yeah?
I won't drop it under this.
Mm-hmm.
I won't.
Yeah.
Oh no!
Yeah, you're not gonna do it.
I was gonna do it before you got on it. I didn't think you would like as soon as you stepped on the wood, it would immediately like trigger.
Yeah.
Okay, go across.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no!
Alright.
Now the funny thing is, you can never let me go through and just take all the goodies, which it seems like you do. Oh, did you get hit by a snake?
Nope, I dodged it like a skilled master.
Oh, you fucking.
Now I'm gonna shoot the fuck out of this snake. Hey, it dropped an egg.
The way that that sounded was great. Oh. Hello. What's over here?
Oh, well, that's the main way.
Oh,
Not
is it?
getting the secret ceremonial mask. Yeah!
So much. Ew.
Ride? Sure
Oh.
thing.
No. Alright. Oh, you got better accuracy than me.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Mouse and keyboard. You know what? You were on the boat shooting.
Oh, yeah.
So that's probably
Yes,
what
sniper.
did it. Welcome back to Resident Evil 5 Scholars Corner. I'm your host as always, Mikey Schmacher, and today we just have a few emblems. First one you're going to get right at the start of the level on the dot. You're going to pull a sniper out and shoot it right there. Second one is on the middle island. You're going to want a partner for this, or even you could just switch the AI right there and shoot it right under the hut. Lastly, after you get all of the seals, you can head over here, drop down. Behind you and to the left just a little bit, you will see the last emblem. Ain't that neat? Thank you for watching. As always, been your host, Mr. Mikey Schmacher. You know what it is.